name is Karan Kakade and I'm the Executive Director of Shantiniketan. It also gives me an immense pleasure to inform you that I'm also the ex-student of Shantiniketan School. At Shantiniketan Junior College, we provide the best of the academics along with well-equipped infrastructure. So with this, we are providing a strong foundation for their future.
Hello everybody, hope you all are in best of health and spirits. I'm Pinky Wadhwani and besides me is sitting my sister Sneha Wadhwani, and from the time we have joined the college, I have been the star performer.
Even I have been.
Yes, we both have been the star performers.
And this is not only because of our efforts but also the efforts of our teachers, because they are so approachable that we can convey our doubts to them without the fear of getting reprimanded.
First of all, Shantiniketan is one of the best options in Kolhapur, which follows a CBSE pattern of syllabus. The teachers here are very friendly and cooperative. All the CBSE course and the JEE NEET stuff is all carried out under one roof. Shantiniketan also has sporting facilities such as football, badminton, basketball. The guest lectures which are conducted in Shantiniketan are very inspirational, motivational and drive us towards our goals.
As a music producer, I have collaborated with artists from various countries. My music is available on iTunes, Spotify and Google Play Music, which are all global music distributors. In 2015, one of my tracks was ranked 44th out of 1000 tracks in an online contest which was held globally. As I am a DJ too, school gives me various opportunities to perform as a DJ at its functions.
Initially, before joining Shantiniketan, I was a bit scared and nervous about the commerce line itself, because it is a totally different branch of education from what I was learning till 10th standard. So I was scared, and which affected my studies, and I scored less in the beginning. But very enthusiastic and friendly faculties of teacher helped me, encouraged me to score well. Even the regular assessments like weekly tests and monthly tests helped me boost my confidence and interest in learning. And overall, I had fantastic experience.
I won silver medal in South Zone competitions which were held in Nashik, and also selected for the national CBSE which were held in Uttar Pradesh, Ghaziabad. I won 5th position in the nationals.
I've been a student of Shantiniketan for 8 years. It's almost like a second home to me now. I've been to Denmark through a student exchange program introduced by Shantiniketan, and that experience really changed me. I learned a lot about myself and gained a lot of self-confidence, and I love to thank Shantiniketan for that opportunity. Recently, I participated in the TimeSpark Scholarship Program and placed in the top 5% of the first mock exam.
I'm a national swimmer and I practice in Shantiniketan Swimming Academy. In last 2 years, I have won many medals, in which 13 are gold medals. All my credit goes to my coach because he takes lot of efforts for me.
Shantiniketan School Kolhapur is one of the best combos of excellent academics, sports and numerous extracurricular activities. The school has been supporting me in all my competitions. The motivational programs organized by my college have been a boon for me.
I had been appointed as the chair for the Coimbatore Conference of IMUN. I had also been appointed as the chair of UNDP for MUN for India. Currently, I am hosting IMUN for the first time in my school. For this victory of mine, I would like to thank Shantiniketan Junior College for supporting me throughout my journey, which has rather proved to be a victorious one for me.
I am a class 12 science stream student. What drove me and my parents to Shantiniketan Junior College was their idea of coaching all the students of different streams and career options under one roof. So this way, I don't have to go around for different coaching classes, have my own freedom, and at the same time enjoy college life to the fullest.
In a nutshell, we would like to say that we count ourselves lucky to be a part of this prestigious institution, Shantiniketan. Our journey till date had been a very beautiful one, and we hope that, we are sure that it will continue to be the same.
Now this day and age, when students go for colleges, they also need to rush for classes. So when we thought of starting with this college, we started and decided that we should coach the students in-house. We give in-house coaching for science, we give them for JEE, NEET, architecture. For commerce people, we train them for CA, CMA, as well as CS. For arts people, we train them for CSAT examinations. Now most of the students are willing for overseas education. So we also do train them for SAT examinations. Right from SAT preparations till their accommodation abroad, we provide them help for these overseas educations as well. So if you want more time for self-development, you can opt for Shantiniketan Junior College.
So I welcome you all to the Shantiniketan Junior College and wish you all the happiness.